In this video, we'll have to get our comments working. So first of all, let us enter a comment and see whether it should appear. Remember, from our code, this is the project's view page. So project show, if we go to our projects show the blade, and we'll see that we're trying to print out the comments here, alright, but then it's not showing. Let us add a comment and see whether it will show. So say this is a new comment on the Zioni project, because this is Zioni, and then the URL is http youtube.com or whatever URL. So click submit, and it refreshes. As you can see, comment added successfully, but then if we scroll up and down, you see that it's not showing. It's supposed to display there underneath. So if we go to our database and on P manager and comments, and if we refresh, I'll click on browse, you see that this is a new comment has been added, and then you'll see that the user ID is one added correctly. Commentable ID is the ID of the model, which is ID of the project. As you can see, this is one correctly reflected, and then the commentable type is project correctly, and then everything is correct, but it's not showing because there is a little mistake and it's not even indicated in the Laravel documentation. So if we go to Laravel documentation under relationship, eloquent relationship, if you go to Laravel documentation and under relationships, if you could click on polymorphic relationship, and if you read through, as you can see, polymorphic relations, if you read through, you will not see where it's indicated that we're making a mistake, but actually we're making a mistake. So what happens is that when we save a new user, as you can see right here, this is the form, the comment form. As you can see, comment store, it goes to it saves the commentable ID, which is the ID of this project. Then it saves the commentable type. According to this, they say the commentable type column is how your ORM determines which type of owning model to return. But then they say the commentable type column will contain the class name of the owning model. So if you go to the class, the owning model is the project model now. So if we go to the project model and project, and the class name is project, so we did something right. But something we're missing is that it is actually, the class name is actually app/project, because we didn't do that here because we are actually importing this already. We are importing the namespace, app namespace. So that's why we're having an issue. So what we should save actually is if we come to our show the blade, and we try to save, I'm looking for the comment model under projects, and we click on show the blade. We're supposed to save app/project instead of just project, so that Laravel will know where this class is. So if we go back and fill our form again and say this is the latest comment with app project properly set, and then we put a URL and say facebook.com/whatever. We'll click submit. So we're expecting, if what we did is correct, we're expecting to see the comment underneath. So after it has submitted, we'll have to sort out this page expiry. So if I refresh this page, I will be able to add another one. So I can refresh and say this is the latest comment, then put fb.com. This is my FB page in case you want to chat me up personally for a project, or if you want me to join your team. This is my correct real Facebook page, so you can go there and leave me a message. So now we click on submit, As you can see, comment added successfully. If we scroll down, we'll see that comment. Alright, so what we can now do is to style this comment to look really cool, which we will do in the next video. We'll take our time to style our comments and make them look really cool. As you can see, the URL is here. So thank you very much. Hope you understand polymorphic relationships now. And just before I round out, I want to remove this add project link. So I just go there. There is an add project link that I need to remove here. So for now, I'll just comment it out. So what we have is this, and refresh to see whether it goes out, and it's out. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.